Hey guys, it's Robert again. I want to say thanks as always for watching my channel and subscribing and liking. So today we're actually not going to work on my truck. We're actually going to work on a friend of mine's truck, Jed, and we're actually going to do something bad to it. We're going to put a hole in it. That's right, we're going to put a hole in it. And you're like, what, a hole? Yep. And the reason why we're going to put a hole is because he wants a snorkel. Let's take a look at this. Jed. How's it going? And he's got the longest Instagram name. I think it's Jed _
is dead.
Jed is dead _
Coma 777, yeah.
Coma 777 hashtag the longest ever username you've ever seen.
It's
But I'll put it here so you guys can see what it is.
Thank you, yes. Usually people think it's Jedi.
Jedi, yeah, Star Wars, may the
DAD
force be
or
with
something
you.
like
Fancy Australian made snorkel.
It's a snorkel.
Yeah, you know what a snorkel is, Jesse?
What? I don't know.
You know, like people used to swim, they call it a snorkel.
What's this?
You know?
Snorkel right here for?
So this way the truck can swim. That's what that is.
Yeah.
It snorkels, it swims in there, and it won't die, it'll breathe with the thing on top. So that's what a snorkel is. It's a different snorkel, but hey, it works. So Jed and Dhee are gonna have the honors. By the way, I am just a coach in this video.
A motivator.
Motivator,
Life coach, really.
life coach. What we're doing now is ARB. We call it ARB or ARB? What do you think?
ARB, but if you're close, you can call them ARB.
ARB.
Yeah. ARB.
So they sent this template, and with this template, we're going to tape it to the fender so we know how to properly make our holes, hopefully. So this is the first time you're ever doing anything, right?
Yeah, definitely.
You never DIY like I did.
No, my DIY was pull out my wallet and just go, here you go. When's the turnaround? So it's pretty neat.
And now you want to take a chance, because you're around me, to put a hole in your truck.
Oh yeah. But no,
Hey, it's better for the person, the owner, to mess it up than someone else to mess it up. Because that means you paid for somebody to mess it up.
That's very true.
And you just messed it up for free. So that's the difference.
We were, it's like we were watching your Prinzu install vid, and I'm like, this is pretty easy. This is pretty fun. It's like there's no need to have someone do this for you if it's kind of the fun thing to do. So it's been a blast to just kind of be part of that now, Rob.
Well, that's cool. I feel flattered that somebody's watching my videos and actually used it too.
Yeah.
Not just saying they did.
The other one is the tail light, where you go how to pull the tail light, and you make the gesture straight.
Yeah.
Right? That was a big help. Sometimes when I go, we can't find something on Tacomaworld. Let's try YouTube. We go on YouTube, and then most likely it'll go, okay, perfect. There you go, specific, robdaman. So it's yeah, man. The extent of how you help the Toyota community and off-roading community in general with your DIYs, not DUIs, is pretty awesome, Rob. It's kind of neat.
That's cool. I really appreciate that. And a lot of people do comment like that. And that's the reason why I keep on making videos. To show people how to do it right, or not, or how to do it,
Or how to mess it up.
not to do it right, or how to mess it up and don't do it like me. So it go either way. Just spin it,
Gotcha.
and then you'll just feel it go through. Yep. Now speed it up. Yep. There you go. Boom.
Boom. Now.
The first hole.
That felt good. That felt good. My endorphins just shot up right there.
Yeah.
I was
Just another few more and a big hole.
yes.
I'm gonna show Jed how to cut a hole through his fender. Sure about this?
Yeah.
Already got little holes, right?
You signed the waiver, right?
I did. I'm waving. Waiver.
Yeah.
Okay. Don't pressure it. Now go for it. There you go. There you go.
Got it.
It's time to remove the tape. They're gonna, if you look at the metal here, you can see that it's bare, and now we gotta treat it or it's gonna rust later. Got that almost in. So now we're at the point to bolt it in. It's contributing to the cause.
Oh no, it's a 10 millimeter. The 10 millimeter.
Some people say there's a ram air effect. so it ends up forcing the air into it, pressurizing it. So technically you should have a little bit more throttle response.
So where credits due, I guess.
This way.
Right there.
Alright guys, so we are finally done.
Yeah.
We had a few snags, and as I've always said, if it was daytime, nighttime, raining time, anytime, still gonna get it done. And Dee here, she did most of the work.
Yeah.
Jed still did some good work, and I helped a little bit.
No, you did
A little more than a little bit, I think, Rob.
You think so?
But I wanted to thank you.
Yeah.
Stand-up guy. Appreciate what you do for the Toyota community and overlanding and off-roading in general, dude.
Cool, I really appreciate that.
Yeah,
You know,
So
I think, and that was not a paid speech.
never at all. Never at all.
So again, thanks always for watching my channel, subscribing and liking, and we're always going to do some more things. So stay tuned, guys. Peace out.
So yeah.